Welcome back to WKYT. The Trauma Informed Counseling Center is conducting an inaugural training program. Joining me now is Dr. Lauren Downey and Dr. Brittany Gentry to tell us more. Thank you two for coming in today.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, thank you so much.
Let's just start off by talking about the work that you all do on a regular basis.
Sure. So I am Dr. Brittany Gentry. I'm a doctor of social work, and I am currently the co-clinical director of the Trauma Informed Counseling Center. It's a lovely lady over here.
Yes.
And I recently founded a nonprofit called the Trauma Education and Advocacy Organization.
And tell us about the event that you all have coming up.
Yeah, we're super excited. So obviously, Dr. Gentry and I are super passionate about trauma-informed care, and so just really speaking to a lot of the gun violence and just really the community violence that's been taking place over the last, 12 months and longer. This program is really designed to educate the community members, both professional but also caregivers, just advocates in the community, about how to identify trauma, how to treat it, how to get proper referrals out, all that good stuff.
So one thing, whenever there is an act of violence, obviously you think of the people who are physically injured, but there can be a lot of lasting effects for people who may not even have been physically hurt by that.
Absolutely. Vicarious trauma is a real thing. So just every time we turn on the news, learning a classmate has been killed or shot, or, a lot of times the kids are very connected. Lexington is, not that quite big. Most of the schools are interconnected. So a lot of times grief counselors go out to every schools because they know someone, even if they didn't go to the same school. Through Impact, we're hoping to help educate the families because they are the first kind of front line, right? Mom, dad, grandma, whoever's raising you.
Auntie.
If we teach them to know the signs and symptoms of trauma or anything mental health related, then maybe they can kind of be more proactive at the first start of it, which we found is between 3rd and 8th grade.
Yeah, and that is really the goal of this, is that people can then identify and potentially get help, when people need it.
Yeah, yeah. Essentially what we've kind of been, Brittany and I kind of developed the program to be, is really not so much intervention-based, but prevention-based. So preventing future long-term effects of trauma, PTSD, so on and so forth.
Okay. If people want more information about that event, where's the best place to find it?
Well, right now our registration is open at our website at the TICC of Lexington.com. If you will go under services, we have an Impact tab, and we have more information about the program, the flyer, and the registration.
Awesome. Thank you all.
Free event.
Doctors. I was going to say that was another question. So it's free.
Yes.
People can sign up, come get this information.
Yes. And it'll be held at the Northside Library in the large conference room.
Awesome. Thank you all for coming in today.
Thank you for having us.